Today I'm making my favorite snack, kale dip, which consists of kale. And these are my ingredients right here. Here we begin. My ingredients are coconut oil, mixed herbs, parsley, lemon and pepper, Himalayan salt, beans, tomato, all my mixed cut up vegetables. So here we begin. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I'll pour in my kale. Next, I'm gonna pour in my tomato, my pepper, my garlic. My garlic I crushed ahead of time to release the compound. So this is my garlic. I had my garlic in it now. I'm gonna add sprinkle parsley, lemon and pepper, Himalayan salt. Okay, and a little bit of mixed herbs. So there we go. I'm gonna stir. I'm stirring it. You stir. Make sure all your ingredients are sauteed in the kale. Okay, we stir and we cover. So while this is steaming, I'm gonna let it steam for a little bit. So while it is steaming, my beans are already right here. Here is the beans in the blender. It is ready to pour in the kale. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna get my kale, my chips ready. So this is the chips. This is the chips that I will be using with my dips. This is the chips I brought from Trader Joe's. This is what I'm preparing while I'm waiting for the kale to get ready. There we go. So we could have a chip and dip. We'll have a chip and dip, while we're waiting for the kale to get ready to blend. It's going to take a little bit more. The kale will take a little bit more time, so we stir. As we go along, we stir the kale so we can get ready to pour in the beans. So we give it another 5 minutes to steam, then we could add it into the bean. Okay, you're getting ready. We getting there. It will be ready in a few minutes.